Hello friends, welcome back with me in my YouTube channel. In today's video I am gonna explain about how to add admin on Facebook page. In this tutorial I use Facebook website version. So, let's go to the tutorial. Step 1. Log in to your Facebook page. Step 2. Select settings and then tap page roles. Step 3. In the page roles settings, scroll down until you find assign a new page role. Step 4. You can invite your friends with their Facebook name or their email. Step 5. You can choose which roles will be filled by your friends. But, make sure you read the consequences first, like, if your friend becomes an admin then they have the same permission as you do to make changes to this page. Step 6. After you decide which role your friend will fill, click the Add button. After you did the 6 steps earlier, the next process you have to wait until your friend confirms the request to become an admin on your Facebook page. If it is confirmed, it will look like this. Okay, if this tutorial worked for you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.